Welcome, in front of me is an LG K11 and today I'll show you how to hard reset the device to the recovery mode and also remove a screen lock on top of that. So as you can see, there is a screen lock, so I'm going to proceed as though I don't know it. So number one, we want to power off the device by holding the power key. Then choose power off, and once more. Now once it's off, you want to then hold power key and volume down. So just in case you didn't know, power key is this sensor in the back right here. So hold the power key and volume down, both of these keys at the same time. And once you see the LG logo, you want to let go of the power key and then press it again. So volume down, power, both at the same time, let go power and start holding it again. And there we go. So we're now in the recovery mode. So from here, we number one want to use volume keys to navigate. So let's just select down, volume down, and it selects yes, and then power key to confirm it. And then once more select yes, and again power key to confirm it, and the reset begins now. So this will take a couple of minutes, just be patient, and once it's finished we should be then greeted with the Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible. And as you can see, now the process is finished and you can set up your device. Once the setup is finished, you will have no longer a screen lock anymore. And yeah, so if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.